I would say that there's always a need for a survey, no matter how silly or how serious it is. Hi, I'm Sarah Cho. I'm Director of Research at SurveyMonkey, and today's class you'll be learning about how to conduct your own surveys. I like to say that surveys are a conversation that you're having with a very specific purpose and that you can really efficiently have at scale. If you're interested in learning about how you can utilize surveys to grow your business or how you can utilize surveys just in everyday life, I think everyone probably has one or two questions that they're super curious about learning. In the class today, what we're really going to be covering is the survey process from soup to nuts. First, we'll go over how to think about planning your survey. Then we'll move into how do you think about the questions that you're going to ask, who you're going to send the survey to, how do you think about how to distribute your survey, how many people should you get in your survey, how should you analyze your survey, and then once you have the data, how do you act and make a decision upon your survey. I hope you'll leave this class with the confidence that you really can conduct your own survey. It's not that hard. It is part art and part science, but really it is a manageable process that you can guide yourself through. If you're following along, share your survey plan in the project gallery and feel free to ask questions. As a professional question asker myself, I always love to ask questions and answer them, so feel free to do so and follow along in the discussion below. I'm super excited you're joining the class, so let's get started.